We're going to do a use and care on a Whirlpool front load compact unit. It's a model WFW3090JW. And we do get a lot of people that tend to not use these the proper way. First and foremost, we don't want to overload this machine. I mean, don't be packing it tight with clothes. You know, you want to leave a little bit of room inside the machine so that you're not overloading it. The biggest issue with these is people use way too much detergent. You do not want to use detergent pods in these units. That is way too much detergent. You want to use high efficiency detergent, no more than 1 to 2 tablespoons. Now, to put that into context, it would be the equivalent of a cough syrup beaker. That's 2 tablespoons. 1 is half of that. So you'd want to put that in the HE detergent area, okay? And you don't really want to use bleach. And if you're going to use fabric softener, you use very little fabric softener, but make sure you dilute it 3 to 1, okay? Because fabric softener is very waxy. I personally would not use fabric softener because it tends to damage the machines as well, but some people want to use it. If you want to clean your detergent cup, you just press down on this button. You can take this over and you can wash this out. What you'll find if you're using too much detergent, this will become mildewy, okay? Because water comes through here, it should be able to get all of that detergent out of our soap cup into our washer. And if you're using too much detergent, this is going to become mildewy, which ultimately is going to lead to odors. When you're done using the machine, it's always best to keep it cracked. We have this one in a closet, so with that, you know, if we keep it cracked, our door still will close. If you have the ability to keep it wide open, that's even better. But occasionally you're going to want to wipe this area out in here because too much detergent and water sitting here will lead to mildew. In terms of using this machine, you turn on the machine and then just select what cycle you want. Okay, so it's pretty straightforward, and then you just hit your start button. There are additional options on this machine, so if you want to micromanage each load, you can do that. Most people are just going to use a normal wash or a light wash, so to speak, or a quick wash. There is a clean washer option on this. So once a month, you really want to put cleaning tabs in, like a Fresh Tabs, which Whirlpool recommends. Put one of those in, close the door with nothing inside but the cleaning tabs, select the clean washer tab, okay? Really, that's about it. If you have any questions about our video, we'd love to hear any comments. Thank you for watching.